Roofing installation is not done until you've checked those critical spots that could totally mess up your roof's vibe if ignored. Alright, so after your new roof goes up, the first thing you want to do is check the flashing. Flashing is those metal strips around chimneys, vents, and edges that stop water from sneaking in. Make sure it's all tight and sealed without any gaps or rust, because even a tiny hole can cause leaks. Next up, look at the shingles. They should all be nailed down nice and flat, no curling or cracking. Pay attention to the valleys where two roof slopes meet. That's a hot spot for water buildup, so the shingles and flashing there need to be perfect. Don't forget gutters and downspouts. They gotta be clean and properly attached so water flows away from your house. Also, take a peek at the roof vents to make sure they're sealed well and not letting moisture inside. Lastly, check for any leftover nails or debris on the roof that could cause damage later. Doing these checks right after installation saves you from headaches down the road. One of the biggest mistakes people make after roofing installation is ignoring flashing integrity. If that metal flashing isn't sealed tight, water gets in and causes all kinds of damage like mold or rot. Fix it by having a pro inspect and reseal any weak spots immediately. Another common issue is improper shingle installation, like missing nails or wrong placement, which leads to leaks and wind damage. The fix here is ensuring every shingle is nailed properly and lying flat. Lastly, people often overlook clogged gutters and downspouts after roofing work, causing water to pool near the foundation. Just keep them clean and secure to avoid this problem. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. Plus, it gives contractors a solid way to find projects and grow their business without all the hassle.